Hey guys, I wanted to share with you the interesting experience I had while I was teaching my class the other day virtually. We had an earthquake in class, and it was so funny and kind of freaky. But at first I could feel it on the bottom of my feet because I had bare feet. But I didn't want to say anything because I thought, well, maybe it won't get big or anything. But then it's so funny because on the video, when one of the students gives this answer, then I am quiet. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh, there's an earthquake. Did you feel that? And, but I was just kind of waiting to see how big the earthquake would get. So that is where the earthquake was. Here's Guam. Here's Rhoda, and it's 40 miles north of Guam. And then here's Saipan. So the earthquake happens right in the middle of math class. So behind me is my class, a video of my class. That's how we do it on Zoom every morning. But now watch the live video of what we did during the earthquake. Don't forget, these are second graders. Check it out. How did you know the equation for this? Okay, what's the equation and how did you know? Sebastian?
Five.
Well, what's the whole equation? Oh my goodness, it's an earthquake. Did you feel that?
No.
Yes. I just felt that earthquake. I did. Yes. I felt.
I think it's still moving.
There was feeling the earthquake. I think it's still going.
Oh my word, that was freaky, wasn't it? Okay, it's over.
Weird.
I think earthquakes are cool but freaky. I don't know how you feel.
Really freaky.
Yeah.
I felt like a lizard was like. My chair was shaking.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, my chair was shaking too.
Okay, at first I thought my feet,
shaking like bones.
my feet are on the floor, my bare feet, and I thought, is that an earthquake? And then it shook harder, and yes, it was. So I didn't want to mention it first.
Yeah, it felt like an earthquake.
Yeah. Yes.
Before that was a really bad earthquake.
Yeah, but that wasn't, thankfully. Okay, back to number 12. I hope you enjoyed our earthquake experience. Check out the video here at the end for some cool ocean creatures found in Guam.